In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest, safest way to find and delete huge, unnecessary files that are quietly eating gigabytes on your Windows 10 or 11 PC. Ready? Let's jump in. Okay, let's start with the fastest wins. Clear the hidden temp folders everyone forgets about. Press Windows key plus R on your keyboard. A little run box pops up. First, type exactly this, prefetch. Hit enter. You'll see a folder full of tiny files. These are preloaded app data that Windows doesn't need anymore. Press Ctrl plus A to select everything, then Shift plus Delete to permanently remove them. Click Yes if it asks to confirm. You just freed up a few hundred megabytes instantly. Back to run. Windows key plus R again. This time, type temp. Hit enter. Same deal. Ctrl plus A, Shift plus Delete. Yes. If a few files say in use, just click skip or do this for all current items. These are leftover installer and app junk files, totally safe to remove. One more time. Windows key plus R. Now type %temp%. That's the percent sign, then temp, then percent again. This is the biggest hidden temp folder for user apps. Same deal. Ctrl plus A, Shift plus Delete. Confirm. If a few files say in use, just click skip or do this for all current items. Phase 2. Let Windows clean itself with the Pro tool. Press Windows key plus R one last time. Type clean mgr and hit enter. Select your main drive, usually C:, and click OK. Now click the big button that says Clean up system files. This unlocks the good stuff. Select the C drive again. OK. Check everything in the list. These can be 10 to 30 gigabytes on old PCs, delivery optimization files, temporary internet files, thumbnails, recycle bin, and previous Windows installations. Click OK, then delete files. Grab a quick coffee. This one takes 2 to 10 minutes, depending on how much junk it found. One bonus tip, press Windows key plus R and type shell:/apps folder and hit enter. This is where you will find all the apps installed on your system. If there are any unnecessary apps you don't need, find and uninstall them to free up some space. That's it. Restart your PC real quick and feel the difference. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.